Here's my family. It's Easter.
You know what I think's so funny?
What?
Larry likes Funny as Home videos. You know?
Yeah.
And people will go like this, and they'll stand and they'll pose for
a video. For a video.
It's like people, it's a video.
That's awesome. So we're here. It's Easter. We're watching Mary Poppins. And see, this is Mommy's house.
This is Mommy's house.
It's really pretty.
Cool.
Yeah. And then there's a pool. See if I can show you the pool. Oh, look at that! It's a pool. They basically live in Barbie's dream house, except it's less pink, slightly less pink. And then look at I gotta show you look at this outside. Oh, look at that! Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty view out there. Yeah. So not too bad considering it's Beaverton, which is a horrible place. And this is me. I don't know if this is visible. I never know how these things work. I'm gonna turn it back down. So, anyway, yeah. So commemorating the moment. There's my family. There's my mom and my sister. My beloved mom and sister doing their thing. Mommy's kitchen. So there we go. Hi. You guys say. Hey, look up, Mama. Yo. Look up and say, I love you, Holly, please. I love you, Holly, please. Okay. All right. Yay. That was fun.